Hello future engineers, here is another video in integral calculus, particularly on iterated integrals, and this is in preparation to one application of iterated integrals, which is evaluating volumes. So we interpret that this double integral should be volume bounded by a plane surface, which is dA on the xy plane, and the upper surface would be this represented by 2x minus y. We imagine that this is z, and the area of the region is bounded by this triangular plane with vertices 0, 1, 1, 2, and 4, 1. And that's the second part. Let's focus first on 24. So we have to plot the points on the plane, then above this is the surface 2x or plane 2x minus y. Then the height would be 2x minus y minus the plane on the xy plane, which is z is 0, so that's why that's the net height, and multiplied by differential area of this region. Now our outer limit should be from 1 to 2, so that's y as the variable. Let's make y the last variable to evaluate, then x inner limits. So the x of this minus the x of this line or side. So that's the strip. Now let's derive this equation. Supposedly not. You should know how to derive or find the equation of the lines bounding sides. So by 2-point form, I select 0, 1 as point 1. So y minus y1, y minus 1 equals slope, which is 2 minus 1 over 1 minus 0 times quantity x minus 0. So y minus 1 equals 2 minus 1 over 1 minus 0, that's the slope, and quantity x minus 0. So simplifying, this is 1. So y minus 1 equals x. So that means if we simplify this, x minus y plus 1 equals 0. So that's correct. Likewise, I'll select 4, 1 as point 1. So y minus 1 equals slope, which is 2 minus 1 over 1 minus 4, and quantity x minus 4. So again, y minus 1 over, or y minus 1 equals slope. Slope is quantity 2 minus 1 over 1 minus 4, and quantity x minus 4. So this is 1 over negative 3. So negative 3y plus 3 equals x minus 4. Simplifying, that would be x plus 3y equals 7. So we are already verifying that these are the equations of the sides. So volume, this is interpreted as volume, equals integral of quantity 2x minus y dA. So we make x as inner variable, then the outer variable y. That's why the outer limits 1 to 2. Now, uh, inner limits would be x of this side, which is y minus 1. Then my upper limit would be the x of this side, which is 7 minus 3y. So volume equals integral 1 to 2, integral y minus 1 to 7 minus 3y of y squared dx dy. So we treat y squared as constant, so this is y squared x. Volume equals integral 1 to 2 of quantity y squared x from y minus 1 to 7 minus 3y dy. Substituting, volume equals integral 1 to 2 of y squared times quantity 7 minus 3y minus y squared times y minus 1 dx. So we have 7y squared plus y square, so that's 8y squared. Then we have negative 3y cubed minus y cubed, negative 4y cubed. So that would be volume equals integral from 1 to 2 of quantity 8y squared minus 4y cubed dy. So integrating, this is 8 thirds y cubed minus y to the fourth from 1 to 2. So upper limit, 8 times 2 cubed, that's 64 over 3 minus 2 to the fourth, 16. Then minus lower limit, minus quantity 8 thirds minus 1. So 64 over 3 minus 16, and minus quantity 8 thirds minus 1. So using the calculator, evaluating the volume equals 11 over 3 cubic units. We then proceed to number 25, evaluate the integral quantity 2x minus y dA, that's the height. D is bounded by the circle with center, the origin, and radius 2 as shown. So the equation of the circle is with center at the origin is x squared plus y squared equals radius square, or in general x minus h quantity square plus y minus k quantity square equals 2 square, so equals 4. H and k would be 0, 0 at the origin. So if I make this the inner or strip, then the outer limit should be from negative 2, because the radius is 2, to positive 2. Inner limit should be the x of this left curve, which is square root of negative square root of 4 minus y square, to the x of this curve, this is positive in the first quadrant, square root of 4 minus y square. Then we multiply it by 2 because we also have in the lower part below the x-axis. So volume equals integral of 2 times, again 2 times because we consider the lower half, considering that strip. Then outer limits from negative 2 to positive 2. Then inner limits is the x of this circle, which is negative square root of 4 minus y square, to the x of that right part, which is positive square root of 4 minus y square. Then we copy the region or the surface above this region all on the z plane, on the z axis rather, perpendicular to the xy plane. So that's 2x minus y. Let's make x first and y the outer limit, so dx dy. So integrating, evaluating this with respect to x, this is 2 times integral from negative 2 to 2 of quantity x squared minus yx from negative so x squared minus yx from negative square root of 4 minus y squared to positive square root of 4 minus y squared dy. So x squared, the square of this is 4 minus y squared minus y times square root of 4 minus y squared. So 2 times integral negative 2 to 2 of 4 minus y squared minus y times square root of 4 minus y squared. Then lower limit, negative of square root of 4 minus y squared is positive quantity 4 minus y squared. Then minus y, that's minus y, then negative square root of 4 minus y squared. Then close dy. So we can cancel 4 minus y squared because we also have negative of quantity 4 minus y squared. Then we have negative y square root of 4 minus y squared and negative of positive y square root of 4 minus y squared. Combined, that's 2 times integral negative 2 to 2 of negative 2y square root of 4 minus y squared dy. So take note that if we let u be 4 minus y squared, the differential is negative 2y dy. So this is now in the form 2 times integral negative 2 to 2 of u to the 1 half du. The integral is u to the 3 halves over 3 halves, or that would be volume equals 2 times 2 thirds of quantity 4 minus y squared to the 3 halves from negative 2 to 2. So when so this is 4 thirds, then when y is 2, 4 minus 2 squared, that's 0. So 4 thirds times 0 to the 3 halves, when y is negative 2, because this is squared, that is still 4 minus 4, so 0 to the 3 halves. So the answer is 0. 4 thirds times 0 to the 3 halves minus 0 to the 3 halves. So that's why the volume is 0. So that's it for this video.